Greetings, Wha Me Eat Wednesdays. We come again, introducing another ancient grain. Out of Africa this one came, and this one name? Millet. Some needs, it might fulfill it. Durable, that's how nature built it. Droughts and pests find it hard to kill it. That's millet. Yes, millet. Been feeding people for a minute. Got a lot of good nutrients within it. Talking the facts, I'm not trying to spin it. That's millet. Through harsh conditions, it can survive. Help to keep a lot of people alive. It's a staple in some countries' countryside. Many countries, far and wide. Is it a grass? Is it a grain? Or is it a cereal? Got the vitamins and the mineral, amino acids, the essential. Help to make the protein. They are crucial. Phosphorus, magnesium. A good amount of calcium, low glycaemic, gluten-free, fiber, antioxidant property. Many types, many variety, depending on the country and the society. Many ways to make it, no recipe. Take a look online and you will see. As a porridge, it can be nice. Can be used instead of rice. Or as a flour, it's your choice. As they say, variety is the spice of life. How I me eat Wednesdays? Yes, sire.